Every year we make New Year's resolutions. We promise ourselves to be better, to work harder, to change for the better. But here's the truth. By the time February rolls around, most of those resolutions are forgotten or abandoned. So, how can you keep your resolutions this year and actually follow through? The answer may lie in the wisdom of Epictetus, one of the greatest Stoic philosophers. Today, I'll show you how to keep your New Year's resolutions using Stoic principles, specifically the teachings of Epictetus. Let's be real for a moment. The excitement of the new year often brings big dreams and ambitious resolutions. You want to get healthier, be more productive, learn new skills, or perhaps improve your relationships. But soon enough, life gets busy, distractions creep in, and motivation fades. It's easy to get frustrated or feel like you're failing. But what if I told you that it's not about setting bigger goals? It's about approaching them differently? That's where Stoicism comes in. Epictetus, one of the most influential Stoic philosophers, can help you approach your resolutions in a way that makes them stick. His philosophy teaches us how to focus on what we can control and accept what we can't, how to align our actions with our values, and how to keep our minds disciplined. Epictetus taught that our lives are shaped by the choices we make, and that the only thing truly under our control is our own thoughts and actions. Everything else, the outcome of our efforts, the behavior of others, external circumstances, are out of our hands. When it comes to New Year's resolutions, most people focus on the results they want, and when they don't get them fast enough, they give up. Instead of obsessing over the outcome, Epictetus would urge you to focus on the process. If you can control your actions, if you can commit to taking consistent steps, the outcome will eventually follow. Your job isn't to force success, it's to do your part each day. Now let's break down how to apply Stoic principles to your resolutions. There are 4 key Stoic ideas that will help you stay on track in 2024. Discipline, focus, acceptance, and reflection. First, discipline. One of the core tenets of Stoicism is the ability to control your desires and impulses. Epictetus believed that true freedom comes from mastering oneself, not from chasing external rewards. And when it comes to your New Year's resolutions, discipline is key. But here's the catch. It's not about being perfect. It's about being consistent. Instead of setting unrealistic goals, start small. Want to get in shape? Don't commit to 2 hours at the gym every day. Commit to 20 minutes, 3 times a week. Want to read more books? Don't aim for 50 books in a month. Start with 10 minutes of reading a day. Epictetus would say that success isn't about how much you do, but about how consistently you do it. Next, focus. In a world full of distractions, maintaining focus is harder than ever. But Epictetus taught that we must be intentional with our thoughts and actions. If you're serious about keeping your resolutions, you need to stay focused on what you can control, your mindset. Instead of worrying about how far you have to go or comparing yourself to others, focus on the small wins each day. Epictetus would advise you to shift your thinking. Don't get discouraged by setbacks. See them as opportunities to grow. The Stoic mindset is all about progress, not perfection. Acceptance is the next principle, and this one is critical when it comes to sticking to your resolutions. Epictetus famously said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." No matter how well you plan, life will throw challenges your way. The weather might affect your workout plans, your schedule might get thrown off, or you might not see immediate results from your efforts. Instead of beating yourself up, embrace the idea that you can't control everything. Accept setbacks as part of the journey. Adjust your plan when necessary, but never lose sight of your core goal. You control how you respond, and that's all that matters. Finally, reflection. The Stoics weren't just about action. They were about reflection and self-awareness. Epictetus would encourage you to take time each week to reflect on your progress. Ask yourself, what went well? What didn't? What can I improve on? Set aside a few minutes at the end of each week to reflect on your resolutions. This simple act of reflection will help you course correct, celebrate your wins, and stay aligned with your true purpose. Without reflection, you may lose track of what really matters. Keeping your New Year's resolutions isn't just about willpower, it's about building the right habits. Epictetus teaches us that the key to living a virtuous life is to develop habits that align with our values. If your resolutions are based on what you truly care about, whether that's health, relationships, or personal growth, then the Stoic principles will help you stay the course. Consistency, focus, acceptance, and reflection will help you build a foundation that lasts. So this year, don't just make resolutions, make a commitment to live according to your highest values. And remember, if you slip up, don't quit, just course correct and keep moving forward. If this video resonated with you, don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe for more insights on how to live a better, more meaningful life. Leave a comment below and let me know which Stoic principle you'll use to keep your resolutions this year. Let's make 2025 the year we truly transform ourselves, one Stoic choice at a time.